Hello mga lalabs! Welcome back to my channel, Yula Channel Vlog. Guys, may dumating guys. Karating lang itong aming online orders guys. Ayan, mga accessories, yung mga nagustuhan namin. So, kararating lang. Samahan nyo kami guys sa pag-unboxing. Ayan, thank you sa mga support followers and viewers. Thank you so much sa pag-suporta guys. Thank you. Ayan guys, tingnan natin kung ano-ano ito guys.
But why it's water? I know the glue for wood is not water.
Expired ito.
Because of the
Yeah.
sofa outside. And
What's
this
that, watch?
one, I
What's
don't
that?
know, it's a watch or what.
I put something. You include my
No,
My
this
thing.
is since I was in
Since-
Egypt I was making this. It's a watch. 39 riyal. 39 riyal and it's a watch. See?
nice, you know.
And
Wow.
it has alarm, it has light also, I think.
It's only 39
Ah,
riyal.
there is light,
Wow,
see?
nice.
And you can see the time, the temperature, I think, and the date.
Yeah, nice.
So it's nice.
Yeah, nice.
Why it's small?
LED.
How many meters? I think I order one 5 meters. Just 5 meters? Maybe.
I was it.
And this, but what the custom
LED.
is this?
What?
And
What
this
is-
one for brushing the shoes. The items look small. And this another one here. And this one for brushing hair. You put the hair in between, see that? And
This.
this is for the cat, aywa. I buy two for the cat. This one. You put water,
What this kind?
and this is t-shirt.
T-shirts?
Let's see the t-shirt. Is it Caterpillar? I think it's small. Not my size. See?
It's nice. How much this one?
27.
Not nice.
27. Caterpillar. And
What this?
this is the SD card.
Memory
I think
card.
1 tera this one.
Memory card.
Aywa, 1 tera. And this one is very good. This is for the smart TV.
Huh?
For the smart TV.
Remote? You buy remote?
Not remote. If you are opening the internet, you can use this as a mouse. And you can write the site and like this and kida, and
Instead
this
of
is-
typing on the mobile,
instead of on the mobile, this in your hand, you can use it.
this is comb.
And the phone.
What this?
This is for the cats.
What this?
Hairbrush.
What this?
I don't know. Let's check this hairbrush for the cat. So today, one of them, you can put here water. Then there is a smoke coming out, and then brush. Middle, the watch middle.
Ah!
The watch middle. This one, how to open
So
kida
nice.
wala kida. I think like this from the top. There is, you remove this one and kida.
What's chain? You need chain.
Yes.
Aywa. So this is mine.
There is another one too.
There is
I think.
silver?
No, they are gold boss.
Oh, so cute, guys. Cute watch.
Another one. There is gold.
Ah, gold.
So
Ah, so nice. Nice. Aywa, nice.
and the most important. This is the most important for
The
the
wheel?
washing machine.
The wheel. This is for the shoes, guys, for the cleaning the shoes. This is the wheel. Wheel. Ah.
This is moving.
Ay, mas moving.
You put the four like this, and this one jack. To put like that and to pull up, and then you put this down. And then this can rotate left, right, and the wheel is already
Why there is
fixed.
a hole? There is a
I don't know,
hole.
maybe the whole yani, there is a
There is no spare parts there.
la, only like this. That's all. How many items?
How many items?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20.
20 items. So, these are all from Timo, guys. Timo online.
Later you arrange and make one video. Nice.
Aywa.
That's how. Connecting with.
Mga tanan, guys, ang gikan sa kuan sa Timo online. Ayan, ito yung remote na dito sa LED. Ayan. 5 meters na siya, guys. Sana. Pero barato na siya. 9 real. Kani siya ang keypad sa among TV nga Samsung. Ayan. Keypad na siya kung mag-type ka, mag-search. Kani naman ang brush sa sapatos na panglimpi sa sapatos, guys. Kani, guys, yung para sa gupit. Ayan, pagupit ka. Ayan. Ito yung suklay para sa gupit. Tsaka ito yung watch, guys, na chin watch. Ayan. Ganda siya, guys. Oh. Ganda siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung time ngayon, guys. 6:35. 5:35. Ayan. 5:35 ng hapon. Ayan. Ayan. Bali, dalawa ito, guys. Dalawa. Ayan, kitchen. Kitchen. Chain siya, guys. Watch chain. Ayan, maganda rin ito, guys. Gold siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, nakasit na rin yung time. Ayan, sinit ko na yung time, guys. Ayan. 5:35. Ayan. Ayan, maganda siya, guys. Kahit wala kang wala kang watch. Ayan, pwede na ito. Quintas. Ayan. Ito naman, guys, yung wheel. Yung gulong sa aming washing machine. Ayan. Para hindi hirap itulak. Kasi yung washing namin, hindi may pasok sa CR. Ito yung jack niya. Jack. Saka ito naman, guys, yung wiper. Ayan, kung maglilis ka sa mga salamin. Ayan. Ayan. Ito naman yung massage. Ayan. Massage. Kompleto ito, guys, yung massage. Yung sa massage. Para sa, para sa kuan ba sa, ito. Ayan, kung gusto mong ganito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito pa guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan, marami siyang spare parts kung saan mo gusto siya i-massage. Ayan. So, ito yan siya guys. Ayan. Ayan. Meron siyang ayan. Dito para may timer siya. On and off. Rechargeable to siya guys. Ayan Naka-charge na siya. Naka-charge na siya. 91%. Okay. Ito naman guys yung flashlight. Ayan. Ayan. Flashlight siya guys na pwede kong mag-burn out. Ayan ang ganda. Maganda siya. Ayan, bali dalawa. Tsaka ito naman yung Razor ito guys. Ayan. Ito naman yung suklay sa mga aking mga pusa. Dalawa yan guys. Ayan. 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 May usok ito guys. Mayroon siyang scented na water. Ito guys yung watch. Ayan. Watch ito guys. Ayan ha. Ito yung ayan. Yung watch. Ayan. Ayan. Maganda rin siya guys. Ganda. Ganda siya. Ayan. 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 Tsaka ano pa ba? Ayan. Ito lang. Tsaka ito yun. Guys. Boxer ito. Ito naman yung socks. Medyas. Ito yung medyas guys. Ayan. Bali 20 items ito guys. May t-shirt. T-shirt pa lang Caterpillar. Ando na hinangil ko na. Maganda siya guys. Magandang quality. Ayan. Ganda talaga siya guys. So, ito lang guys, no? Short haul sa ating unboxing sa galing sa Timo Online. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe at like and comment down below guys. Ayan. So, have a nice day everyone. Thank you and God bless and bye-bye. See you on my next vlog guys.